Let's make long beans upkari today. In Mangalorean homes, festivals are incomplete without a traditional meal served on banana leaf. This meal includes variety of vegetable preparations. One such dish is a simple stir fry known as upkari in Konkani or palya in Kannada. Upkari can be made with vegetables like cabbage, French beans, beetroot, etc. Today we are making long beans upkari. Long beans is known as Lattande in Tulu and Alasande in Konkani. This dish is prepared with minimal oil and spices, yet it brings a delightful flavor to the meal, making it a perfect addition to your festive spread. Firstly, we will chop the long beans. Keep it aside for the time being. Heat a pan. Here I have used only 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, to which I have added mustard seeds, urad dal, asafoetida and curry leaves. I have used onion and garlic in this recipe. However, it is optional. There are many people who avoid using onion and garlic for festive meals. So in case if you want to skip onion and garlic, you're free to do so. Then I have added chopped green chilies and dry red chilies. Finally, I have added the chopped long beans. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, one-third cup of water, and cover and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the beans are cooked, add salt as per taste and add freshly grated coconut. After adding coconut, cover and cook for a few seconds. Now there are many vegetable upkari recipes on this channel. I will be leaving the recipe link in the description box below. Hope you liked this recipe, and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends and relatives. Thank you.